Unlock the power of smart contact management with Wiseowl Legal. Are you ready to take your law firm's contact management to the next level? Let's dive into Wiseowl Legal's contact module and see how it's designed to fit your unique needs. When you open up Wiseowl Legal, simply click the teal People button and voila, you're right at the contacts dashboard. From here, you can quickly view a full list of your contacts, neatly sorted by name, or any of the other sort options at the top that suits you best. If you need to find a specific contact, either search in the simple search bar at the top, or for more specific details, you can open up the advanced search. No more endless scrolling or confusion, everything is organised just the way you need it. Need to add a new contact? Whether it's a client, another law firm, or a supplier, it's fast and easy. Customizable drop-down lists and checkbox options allow you to personalize the experience to fit the unique structure of your law firm. Wiseowl knows that different contacts require different information. That's why the system adapts depending on the legal entity type you select. If it's a company, you'll enter the entity name. If it's an individual, like a barrister, you'll be able to fill in the first name, last name, other names, or any other relevant information. No more confusion, just streamlined contact management. I'm sure you can see a use for that. From legal names to known aliases, keeping track of who's who has never been easier. Enter as many details as needed with optional fields that keep your contact info up to date. Want to ensure accuracy and precision? We've got you covered. Now into the address area. Do you need to keep track of multiple addresses for a contact? No problem. With Wiseowl Legal, you can add unlimited addresses, business, postal, home, or even that secret hideout. Simply customize the drop-down menu to fit your needs, and you're all set. How's that for convenience? Wiseowl Legal offers tailored communication information. Phone numbers, email addresses, faxes, add as many as you like. Want to change the labels? You can do that too. Whether you're tracking personal phone numbers or office lines, Wiseowl Legal gives you the flexibility to track the details that matter to you. As your contact list grows, it's essential to keep track of more than just the basics. That's where the additional details section comes in. You can add in company-specific or individual-specific information that makes managing your cases smoother. Plus, use the general information section for anything extra you want to remember. Is there something specific your firm tracks that's not covered? No problem. With Wiseowl Legal, we can easily add custom fields to make sure the system fits your firm's exact needs. Your firm is unique, and Wiseowl Legal is here to flow with you. Don't force your needs into a one-size-fits-all box. Let us help you create a customized experience that works exactly how you need it to. Wiseowl Legal, tailored to you, not the other way around. Track the matters that your contact relates to in one place. Once you've created a contact and added them into a matter, Wiseowl Legal connects them to the matters they're related to. Looking for past matters? It's all there under the Matters tab. Perfect for when you're conducting conflict checks or reviewing historical interactions. Say goodbye to confusion, everything you need is in one place. Do you need to track relationships between contacts? Once again, no problem. Under the Relationships tab, you can easily add connections between your contacts. This is perfect for seeing who's linked to who within your firm. How can this help streamline your business? Just imagine the possibilities. Are you handling safe custody items? With Wiseowl Legal, adding and managing safe custody is a breeze. Only authorised users can check out items, and every action is securely audit logged for peace of mind. Ready to transform the way you manage contacts? With Wiseowl Legal, you get a powerful customisable solution that adapts to the needs of your firm. Stay organised, stay efficient, and stay ahead. What would be your first use for these contact management features?